Everything on this project is about maximising and enhancing the existing space, except for the light fittings, which Dermot wants minimised and hidden. Enter architectural lighting expert, Rocky Wall.
The only thing that you're going to notice in this space, if there's a big pendant over the table, is the pendant.
If I can get rid of all of the things that are hanging or projecting or punched into the ceiling, it will make the place, I think, feel much bigger.
If you were to leave 300 off the ceiling with the units,
Yeah.
you could introduce a linear light above there.
Okay.
That would indirectly bounce onto the ceiling and would give us a generous amount of light. The light sits on top of the wall unit.
Okay, would that work?
It does work, yeah, no problem, yeah.
Seems a bit,
No, but
I'm skeptical.
skepticism is the reason you brought me here, because
Yes.
you want something that's going to work that's a little bit different. My motto is that you can spend the same amount of money doing a bad job as you do doing a good job. So it's not necessarily about the expense of a light fitting, it's about getting the light in the right place.
I really like the idea of the lights up on top. I just want to make sure that we're not losing a whole heap of storage space.
Is there ways of even refining that we would be able to even put the light at an angle? Then that gap there can be less.
More restricted you are on that space, the more the reflection is kind of reduced. So maximum distance is what we're looking for. So somewhere between 200 and 300. If they implement what was suggested, it could end up being a very nice space.